How to make backups in Campground Master. We can't stress enough how important it is to make regular daily backups. Computer crashes due to power surges, window lockups, and other program errors are a fact of life. We've made backups easy, so there's no excuse not to do them. Note that backups are automatically made daily to the hard drive. This is automatic protection against software crashes, but not hardware problems. Rotating backups to CD or USB memory sticks are recommended. Better yet, move the backups to another building daily to keep your data safe from fire or other disasters. Your data is much more valuable than a few CDs or USB memory sticks, so don't skip out on backups. Insert a CDR or CDRW or a USB memory stick. Click the Save icon or use Backup Database in the Maintenance menu. Or the Save right here. If this is your first backup, a message will appear telling you that you need to select the location. Just click OK after reading the message. A Save As dialog will appear. Make sure the Save In selection shows the appropriate drive. Writable CD drives will work, but we recommend USB flash drives, also called memory sticks, thumb drives, etc. For this example, I will just save it here on the computer itself. And later, you can just drag and drop it, upload it to a cloud, or anywhere else you'd like to store this file. As you can see, it's a compressed zip file, so it should take much less space than a full file. Make sure the Save In selection shows appropriate drive. Writable CD drives will work, but we recommend using USB flash drives, also called memory sticks, thumb drives, etc. The file name should already be shown, but you can change it if you like, for instance, to add the date of the backup. Now click Save. After a short time, while it writes the file to the disk, a message will show that the backup is complete. Remove the disk or USB drive and keep it in a safe place. Now you can reuse the backup disk. If you're leaving the file name the same each time, it will ask if you want to replace the file. However, we recommend keeping at least a 7-day rotation so you have a separate backup for each day of the week. That way, you're also guarding against disk or stick failures.